Fabricating Studio. I found an antique fan in a scrap metal yard. It may be 50 years old. It made me happy. That's it. But it's not that simple. You will know why. Honey, come on. Look, it's awesome.
So dirty. Why buy junk?
Come on, it's antique.
It's broken.
It's broken a lot. So scary.
This requires a lot of maintenance costs.
I realize there are so many parts to repair. The connector is broken. The rod is missing. The isolator holder is stuck. Mesh retainer to missing. To repair the mesh retainer, here we go. It seems the retainer fixed with rivets. This looks like one less. This almost fall off. Oh my god, it really fell off. Copy according to this retainer. Flatten it with a hammer. Use anchor as a material. The thickness is just right. Copy 2 from the old one. Bend the sheet metal. So we get two replicas. Fix it on the mesh. That's it. Test it. Then deal with common problems. Capacitor decay. This issue has been dealt with many times. The motor can be repaired as long as the coil is not broken. There is too much rust, clean it at all. This is the speed control board. Here are only 3 screws. It's easy, just take it off. Check its capacity. Oh, here are something wrong. We need a new one. If we are lucky, the fan will turn. Solder and put on heat shrink tubing. This is the easiest part today. I would like to know what year was this produced. But I can find the answer here. Heat shrink tube with the heat gun. Fixed capacitor. Just one screw. Reinstall the control board. A little bit of work today. Because there is too much content, the video almost can't be made. No one will spend an hour watching a video on repairing an electric fan. So I simplified my processes. The capacitor is replaced. Let me see how it goes. The fan is running. We move on to the next stage. After repairing the mesh and the capacitor, I'm going to deal with the oscillator. Because this fan is too old, so I have to make my own parts. Here we go. Look at the oscillator. Its connecting lever is missing. Must be crash damage. Before disassembly, this screw must be loosened. It's too tight. I try to add a little lube. Oh my god, it doesn't work. I'm afraid of breaking the thread. So I decided to destroy the screw. I thought I could get a new one, but in the end it wasn't. I don't want to destroy this plastic handle, because the internal structure is unknown. By now, the plastic handle is completely removed. Take the cover off to see what's inside. This problem comes again. It still can't be loosened after lubricating, so I decided to try it with an impact driver. It's just a simulation, it's not less simple. Open the cover with a drive. I don't know if there are other faults in it. So far so good, but I have to loosen this screw. Loosen it with a vise. Holy cow, this is a reversed shoulder screw. This is the trouble. God, reverse thread shoulder screw. You can't buy it. That's right. It should be done by yourself. I use an anchor bolt for material. This time I used the iron rod inside. That's right. We're going to machine it with a lathe. Looks good. Slot the top with a saw blade. Tap in and fold reverse the thread. Try to see if it works. This connector is broken. We reproduce more accurately than 3D printing. This is the connector. If this is broken, the fan can't spin. Here is the broken corner of the connector. Loosen the screw with an impact driver. Take it down. The missing part is filled with the plastic steel soil. I'm gonna copy it. The main material is poly. I'll do another video to share this process. What if you think this is boring? Then don't waste time to washing it. You can get a new one after 1 day of pouring into the poly. Wow, it looks amazing. This works almost directly. The most important thing is that the missing corner has been remade. The last part is the connecting rod. I use angle iron as material. Made this rod based on the photos found on the internet. Let's at least Bethlehem get work. It's actually really easy. Just grind slowly. Then drill 2 holes in it. Alright, we got a new one. Start to assemble. Here we go. Right now, remove the rust so that the film is easier to spin. Install the connector and the rod. Install the retaining ring. Connect the fan to the base. Fix fan elevation angle. Oscillator is ready to be installed. I found the materials of the fan to be very well. So the design concept is completely different from today's product. Lock the top cover. Pull on the back cover. Lock screw. Attach the handle. Attach the rod. Look at this. What a beautiful fan. By now the work is done. Try it. Here we go. Turn on the power. Oh my god, it's start to swing. Jesus Christ, it's swinging. Holy cow, that's the feeling! The detail of homemade parts will be shared next time. Try a few more tries and you will succeed. If you have no time to try, subscribing to Fabricating Studio can also improve your repairability and creativity. Subscribe to share and like. Thanks for your watching. See you next time.